Hello, my name's Joanna Osborne and I'm a property expert specialising in luxury properties. Today I'm here to show you this beautiful 5-bedroom farmhouse that has been extensively refurbished. Come and have a look. The elegant drawing room at the front of the property has a stunning wood burner fireplace, a space to relax in front of a real fire with views of open farmland. The heart of the home is a contemporary large breakfast kitchen with large central island and integrated Siemens appliances. The large walk-in pantry provides an abundance of additional storage. There is a separate utility room and useful boot room. The kitchen extends into a casual dining area and family room with bifold doors leading to a sunny terrace overlooking extensive lawns. A more formal dining room overlooks the private rear garden. A large square family room with ceiling feature is a great place to watch a movie. The master bedroom suite has been built to take advantage of the wonderful views with French doors leading to a small balcony. A dressing room and beautiful ensuite bathroom adds to the luxurious feel of this room. A second double bedroom suite also has dressing room and ensuite shower room. There are 3 additional double bedrooms with fitted wardrobes. Offering further parking and access to a large 40-foot outbuilding with electric, currently used as an entertainment barn stroke garage block, but could be turned into an annex subject to planning permission. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you'd like to view the property, please contact me. Contact details are to follow.